that's gonna end today's POV, man. I love y'all. Let me get to a safe place before I... What the fuck? YouTube. What's poppin', family? I'm on my way to the crib. I thought I'd just record a little video. Y'all let me know how y'all doing down in the comments. Say it every time because I want to know. I need like a real detail, like a real, I really need to get a detail. What are you doing? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. Is that a fucking GTR, bro? No. Bro, no way. No fucking way. I seen the front end. I was like, what the fuck is that? Jesus. Did you hear that motherfucking thing? Just wait.
Been all black, just dark night like Bruce Wayne to a home. Shit, you know I say today, but I can never say no. I'm saving for the game. I'm saying you love me, you can't. I see this shit, man. Shit, my boots drop. Fuck, don't go. I saw what I saw. Don't tell what you saw. Things on my day to day. It doesn't feel like they been playing. What do you mean? It's getting hard to let you go. On the road, I need you. That's why I keep on losing flow. So if you love me, only get out. Damn, I'm really fair. It's safe to say I drank the call. I'm finding rich, but I'm still scared. I'm still on these small. I'm so scared. See why the drink I need small. It's getting hard to let you go. It's even harder to let you know. You see, I don't let me go. Baby, I'm scared. I just don't want to feel alone. Nobody wants to feel alone. I'm afraid to feel alone.
Like, y'all didn't see the police officer way down there? Like, what the? I just hate when they be behind me. Now, why the fuck are you getting over? Why? Why the fuck did you just get in the passing lane? And there's nobody in front of you, bro. Oh my God. I think that's gonna end today's POV. I love y'all, man. Don't let these stupid drivers stress you out, bro, because they obviously don't know how to drive. People do not know proper lane priority. They don't know when and where and why and whatever. The 5 W's and the 1 H in school, they don't know how to do that when it comes to driving, bro. At all. People are, oh my God, people will sit. I've witnessed somebody get on the expressway 2 lanes and immediately go to the passing lane. Like, what are you doing? Is nobody in the right lane? did you go in the passing lane? People don't understand. You get in this lane right here, the furthest lane to the left. You pass, accelerate, and you get the back over. How hard is that? Now, he been sitting in this fucking lane for the longest. Big dummy right here got over for a second, sped up, and now he back in there sitting. Like, what the fuck is your problem, dude? This is crazy. Look at him. Stupid. It's not even a him, bro. I don't even care that it's a female. You don't know proper lane priority. Why the f are you still sitting? As soon as somebody speed up past you, you try to speed up. Like, that's stupid, bro. Get your weird out the way. You call traffic, then people so stupid, they go sit behind Dumbo. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I'm taking that exit too, buddy. Goddamn, where you going? You gotta be going right. Gotta be going right to be braking like that. Then people go sit behind Dumbo. And then they just cause traffic. But I think that's gonna end today's POV, man. I love y'all. Let me get to a safe place before I... What the fuck? You bitch. Now I can't even fucking get over there because your stupid ass... Oh my god, dog. This bitch was just... Oh my god. Did you not see me? That's what the fuck I'm talking about. 465 ELB. Yep. I'm in a safe place. Damn, that motherfucker car smoking like a mother. It's a Chevy. I haven't had Long John Silver's in a minute. Maybe I should try it. With that being said, man, I love y'all. We gone.
Always